Using Grubhub gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy your favorite meals without spending your own cash. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card effectively. Step 1. Obtain your gift card. Make sure you have your Grubhub gift card in hand. This could be a physical card or a digital card that you receive via email or text. Step 2. Log into your Grubhub account. Visit the Grubhub website or open the Grubhub app. Look into your existing account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Step 3. Navigate to the gift cards section. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the option labeled gift cards or add gift card in the menu. Step 4. Enter the gift card code. Carefully enter the gift card code found on the back of the card or in the email. Make sure to input it correctly to avoid any errors. Step 5. Confirm and use your balance. After entering the code, confirm the addition of the gift card to your account. You can now use your gift card balance when placing orders on Grubhub. Enjoy your meals with the convenience of your gift card.